So it is 7:42 and we are hitting the road, heading up north to our production facility. We're going to be seeing some new prototypes today. We're going to be seeing all sorts of new designs. We're going to be discussing the future of our partnership. It's going to be a really interesting day and I'm excited to get up there. So let's hit the road. So just a few hours later, we have arrived at the factory. So time to don the PPE. Let's get ready for the tour. Let's go. Hey, so we are here at the factory. This is Matt. Say hi, Matt.
Hi, guys.
So we are here to see a tour of the factory. We're going to be learning how a cleaned up station is made. We're going to be going through all the different stages and Matt's going to be showing us how it all works. I think Matt even may be giving it a go at some of the welding at some point. We'll see what we get into, but we're going to have some fun today.
Yeah, absolutely. Hi guys, it's a pleasure to have Hugo with us today. He's made the long trip up to us here in Loughborough, but super excited to show Hugo around, show him all the stations and show him how you physically put together your great chargeable units.
It's going to be a fun day. So we've got the auto dispenser here, looking very nice. There we go. The pump head. It's got all of these ones as well. So all automatic. This is the favourite in my opinion. This one's really nice looking. So just finished up the tour of the factory. Thank you so much, Matt, for your time. It was really fun to see how the cleaned up stations are being produced. So now time to hit the motorway and get back to the big smoke, aka London. See you soon.